I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Then you have to enter security and location, then tap fingerprint, then tap next. Then you have to select your backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, PIN, password. Let's select, for example, PIN. Then you have an option to set up this feature to require PIN every time you start your device. I'll don't want this feature. Then you have to enter your PIN. Then you have to confirm it. Then you have to select if you want to see notifications on lock screen. You can see all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, and you can just disable all notifications. Then tap done. And what you have to do next is to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located here at the back of your device, and tap it with your finger several times until it remembers your fingerprint. And that's it, fingerprint added. And now, for example, you can unlock your device without entering PIN with just only your fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.